Okay, to start off, I just want to do some few side notes. One, I'm pretending that I'm on Zoom with all the parents, and if they can't make the Zoom time, then I will email it out to them. And second, I am a first grade teacher at Deerfield Elementary in Blair. Okay? Okay. Welcome, parents. I am so sorry that we had to do this way. I wish that we could be in person, but thank gosh for all the technology that we have and that we are able to do this. So, starting off, I just want to talk about me and so a little bit about me, since this is my first year teaching. I was raised on a farm in Arlington, so not too far away from Blair. I love animals and I love working on the farm with my dad and brothers. Um, his brothers, sorry, not mine. I have a sister, as you can see in the picture. I graduated from Arlington in 2019, and then I've graduated from Wayne in 2023. I participated in basketball, track, and Skills USA in high school, and my mom and three of my cousins are also teachers, so come from a long line of teachers. So just to start off, we're going to talk about just a little bit about the daily schedule. It's pretty much, I say, like a normal schedule. We're going to start doing morning stuff, but the things that I really want to focus on are reading and working on our writing skills, especially being in first grade. So, just the curriculum overview, we're going to be reading a lot and we're going to be writing a lot, and I'm going to enforce the 6 traits, which are voice, ideas, conventions, organization, and sentence fluency. While we are doing that, we are also going to be learning spelling words and getting caught up on our vocabulary, because that's very important. My classroom, this is just a pretty general picture of my classroom. As you can see, my desk is right there, and there's group work, because I liked a lot of group work, and we are going to have class pets, because I think those are a fun idea and they can also help engage our science lessons and stuff like that. The round table is where we will be doing some teacher work with students if they need extra help or whatnot. We're going to work on those there, and then we will also have a little library where kids can go get books if they want to and have free time too. That is going to be heavily utilized as well. So some key concepts. I want to work with your children, and I want them to be the best kids that they can be, and then they can take that into second grade and fifth grade and high school and college. So we're going to focus heavily on critical thinking skills and growing vocabulary, like I said. They will also be improving their observation and description skills. I think that's very important for kids. And then all of these 3 and more will be implemented in multiple subject areas that we will be doing. So my approach to spelling, grammar, and handwriting. Spelling City will be used for vocabulary, spelling, and phonics, and some writing. I grew up on Spelling City and I loved it. I think it really helped me, so I would like to implement in my kids. We will do spelling pre-tests, and those will be given on Mondays. And then the spelling words will be too. And then depending if the kids have if they pass the spelling test, they got all of them right, then they don't have to take the test on Fridays. But if they didn't, then they will have to take the test on Friday. Handwriting and grammar will be worked on in the writing workshop, and handwriting will also be sent home to complete 1 worksheet every night. I don't want to, actually I'll get into the next slide. So for classwork and homework, I do not want to send homework home, because I know how busy life can get, and if kids have questions, parents might not know the answers. I completely understand. even my mom as a teacher, she didn't know. But I will give my students plenty of class time to work on their homework, and if they do not finish it, then they will not get it. It will not be sent home with them. I'll look at what they completed, and if they understand it, then perfect, they're done. They don't have to worry about it. If they don't, then I'll sit with them one-on-one, or if there's a few of them, I'll sit with them, and then we'll work on it together. And like grading will be done over the quality outweighing the quantity. So for you as parents, I want you guys to be involved in my classroom as much as possible. If you guys can't make it, I completely understand. If you want to and you just can't, then there's so many other ways to help me as a teacher and to help your kids and your child's peers. So for example, if you want to come in and read to some students, if you have some time, I would love that. The kids would love that. And if you can't, just like supplies for arts and crafts, that can get expensive. And yeah, so then you can also volunteer anywhere in the school. It doesn't have to just be my classroom. There will be a weekly newsletter sent home every weekend. And I would like you guys to look at that. I will also email it out to you just so I make sure you get it, because things get lost. Things get lost in kids' backpacks. They forget it. It happens. It's okay. But overall, I would really like a great relationship with you and your child. So, does anybody have any questions? Oh, yes, I also have a brochure that I will email out to you with this video so that you can look through that and whatnot. And then if you guys have any questions or comments that you think of later, my contact information, cell phone, email is all on there. So if you want to contact me with any questions, that's perfect. It also has some upcoming events on it that we will have, and one of them is our get back to school party, where you parents can come in and we'll play some games and have some supper and whatnot. And then we also have and I'll email this with more information later, we will have a home visit. So that's where I will come into your guys' houses, if that's okay, and I'll just get to know you and your child a little bit more on a personal level. So, and don't forget, if you guys have any questions, please let me know. And thank you guys so much. I am so excited to start this school year and get to know you guys more. Thank you.